What's going on, everyone? Salinas Cat Mods here, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of what we got in the garage today. Como quedó after all this brush and shit. Yeah? A la madre, vato. So here we got my 2017 Chevy Silverado. It's currently sitting on a 4.6 drop on 22x10 in all four corners. Let's check it out up close. Wrapped in 305, 40, 22. See how much clearance we got in there. Not much. It's always rubbing. And it also rubs on full turns back there. Let's check out the front. Got the bow ties color match front and rear. The lower valence was color match as well. Got a custom New Mexico plate. Check it out up close. Got the lower lens of the headlight wrapped in vinyl wrap. Alright, so over here we got my dad's 95 Ford Lightning. It's on a 2-inch drop kit, which is the lowering shackles. Got the OEM first gen Lightning wheels. Look at that stance. Perfect stance. Beautiful truck. The OEM interior. I repainted this hood about 2 years ago, still holding up. Let's check it out. Look at that. It's immaculate. Beautiful truck overall.
¿De la troca esta es tuya?
Ese es mío, compa.
¿Qué mañana tú no?
¿Qué, compa? ¡Tego!
¿Y vas a... todas las viejas ahí ahorita?
¡No, pero!
Ahí las vas a...
So this is basically going to be the detail section where all the supplies are at. The gallons, the spray bottles, and then some electrical tools on here. And we're still missing some more shelves so we can stack up all the air tools and electric tools all along there. Now let's take a look at the Chevelle. All right, so right here we got a 1969 Chevelle SS. Matching numbers, engine and transmission. Has a 4-speed Muncie transmission. And the engine 396. And that is the original paint, which is called Le Mans Blue. And that's going to be the whole color of the car. The firewall was smoothed out and painted in Le Mans Blue as well. I'm not sure we're going to stay with those wheels. We might end up switching them out later down the line, but that's what it has for now. All these panels right here, they still need to be stripped, bare metal, and then primered from there. This whole dash is prepped already for paint. It's going to be in flat black, hot rod flat black. This pillar still needs some body work. These are brand new skins, brand new door skins, brand new quarter skins. The roof is all original, and the floorboards are solid as a rock. Obviously a new skin right here, and the same thing for the other side. It's new quarter panel skin and new door skin. And right here, this seam right here was open to replace this quarter skin. So back in the day, they would fill these with lead the seam. But nowadays, I mean, they don't teach lead work anymore. I mean, it's more efficient to use fiberglass mud and then to use a regular bodywork to get the job done. And that's what I did right here. Still need some tweaking, but that'll do for now. Now let's take a look at the inside. Check out these accents on the hood. Pretty neat. Aggressive original hood. Obviously not original, but that's the one that the car came with that pattern. Interior. The two front are bucket seats. It's not a bench. That's pretty much it for the Chevelle. Alright. So right next to it, we got a 2002 Pontiac Firebird. Original paint. Paint still looks good. Just needs a good paint correction on there. Bring out some more shine. Has original wheels on there. Take a look at those chrome wheels. Engine bay getting dialed up. It was hella dirty before. And these headlights are functioning properly. They do open and close. Because I know the majority of these have issues a couple years down the line once you have this car. Has a T-top on there. Beautiful tan leather seats. Bucket seats up front. What else we got? It's just a clean car overall. It's beautiful. We did put some epoxy, clear epoxy on this taillight. It was cracked. And a set of these taillights go for $5 something plus shipping. Ain't worth it. So I got that epoxy, clear epoxy on that. And once that dries up, I'm gonna go ahead and sand that smooth. So that crack will barely be visible. That's the whole objective of this. Instead of spending all that money to get a whole new set, might as well just try to fix this one. And I mean, other than that, the taillight's solid. Ain't nothing wrong with it. So we'll get that fixed. Check what it looks like. Nice. Gotta do a video taking these off soon. Let's go ahead and check out this man cave setup that we got going over here. Got the poker table. Got a set of couches right there. Fits 3. Another set over here. Fits another 2. We got some portraits set up top. Jesus is a key to success. That's pretty neat. Don't tread on me. We got the spades up there. Right here we got the Marilyn Monroe. Era nomás. Calmao. So that pretty much wraps it up for the first video of the garage tour. If you guys like the content, I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe. If you want to see more like it, here's a little sneak peek of the next video. Y'all stay tuned for that. We out.